get some breakfast with my family. I got my mom, my dad, and my baby girls. Hi! Right there. And I think we're gonna try to sneak into Cracker Barrel and have time for them to get back to my brother for his whole situation. So just checking in, and I will check in when we get there. Okay, it is currently 10:30. We already ate breakfast and we are on our way. Holden is not out, and hopefully she will be for the full duration of the ride. I think I'm gonna nurse her in the car before we get out, so it's not a hassle during the whole like security and stuff like that. And I did decide to not go with the wrap, but to do the stroller instead, just because I'm gonna have my purse and the diaper bag, and it may just be easier like if I have to use the restroom or something like that. And it's less like hot for either one of us. It's just the wrap is good, but I think I want the luxury of pushing her in the stroller, which oddly enough I didn't even think about before. I just assumed I would be carrying the stroller. Don't ask me why. We're fine. But we are on our way, and I'll check back in with you guys in a minute.
Yes, it was. Yes, it was. It was such a good distraction.
Alright, we are checking in. I'm gonna check this and that and that and that at the gate. She's going with me. We don't check her. Alright guys, I am at O'Hare Airport. We already checked everything in, and I'm on my way to the first class security check, and wish me luck. Hopefully it's not super complicated with her. I'm not nervous at all. Say hi, Holden. Hi, mamas. Say hi. Is it your first time flying? Oh my goodness. Tell the people how you feel about that. Tell me how you feel about that. Not face? Got it. Cool, you do this all the time. Alright guys, I am pleased to report that we made it through TSA, no problem whatsoever. Super easy, really patient. They interacted with Holden. All the things that makes my mommy heart happy. So super recommended to fly first class. I don't know if it's because I was in the first class TSA or what, but loving this. Everybody's giving me grace. I'm just gonna try to keep handing it out and not move based on past experiences, and it's just been a great experience all around so far. Holden has been an absolute dream, and we are on our way to the gate right now. Such a good job, baby girl. Oh, I'm so proud. OOTD. We got the gold boys right here with a little cuff in our pinstripe pant. You know how we do with the pockets, and this long denim shirt right here. Very light, very airy. A really soft bow on the head because we don't come out looking scruffy scruff. And as far as mommy, we have our tennis shoes on, our Nike boys with the ultimate knockout type from Victoria's Secret, and I have this military shirt on that I got from Basic Training. I haven't worn it since Basic Training, and it fits now. It used to be like a giant night shirt, and now I fit it, and we're not gonna talk about it. Okay, we'll check in when we get on the plane. I'm basically just gonna change her closer to the time to get there. We're actually about 3 hours early. I anticipate this taking literally hours longer than it did. The whole process is less than 30 minutes, so we'll check back in, guys. Peace. Alright guys, I am about to check her stroller, and we are boarding now. We're on the plane. Say hi. Guys, we made it. I think what I'm gonna do is nurse her, and hopefully she'll go to sleep. This is our view out of the window. I've already showed her how to look out. There's my water. I'm really trying it right now because she's real quick. Say hi. We were walking by and somebody tried to touch her twice. I'm fine. She's okay. I'm okay. I'm not gonna freak out. I'm not gonna be that person. We're fine. We're actually in the front of the plane, and there's like no one next to us or anything, so we'll be okay. We'll have fun. We have plenty of space and room. Completely worth the first class ticket that was $1 kajillion more than what it could have been. So, she's trying it. She's trying it. No. Alright. We will check back in with you guys mid-flight and when we land. Hopefully this works. Who's up and Adam and playing at the window. Who's that? Hi. Say hi. We're landing.
You know my voice? You talk to me every day? Huh?
So can I get
Every
here?
day?
Can I get here? No, you can't get here. No.
She made it.
Oh, he's so pretty.
Alright guys, this is where I'm going to end the vlog and have a good weekend.